Father shot dead outside Lannaman's prep school in St. Andrew.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The father, who was shot and killed at the front of Lannaman's preparatory school in St. Andrew on Monday morning, November the 12th, has been identified. He is Ainsley Folks, a 47-year-old businessman of Norbrook Acres in St. Andrew. The police reported that Folks was attacked and shot several times by a lone gunman, just minutes after he dropped off his child at the educational institution on Terrence Avenue in the Richmond Park area. Reports are that about 7:30 a.m., the father left the school and returned to his car. While sitting in his vehicle, he was approached by a man. A police officer from the Halfway Tree police station said the information they have received is that Folks was sitting in his vehicle when a man walked up, knocked on the vehicle, and as soon as he opened the window, he was shot several times. The shooter allegedly escaped in a white Nissan Tida motor car that was waiting. Reports suggest that Folks managed to run onto the school compound where he collapsed. The injured man was rushed to the hospital by another parent who was close by. However, he succumbed to his injuries. The sound of gunfire sent several parents scampering for cover and left scores of children traumatized. Classes were suspended at the St. Andrew-based institution. As news of the shooting spread, parents rushed back to collect their children. Teachers and students are now being counseled, while school officials have declined to speak on the incident.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.